The glass in your window exploded with a loud bang. What was the reason? Is it a glass quality issue? Maybe it is, maybe not. Hi, this is Hardcore Glass Knowledge Popularization Channel. Follow me, let you know different glass knowledge. We all know that tempered glass has a self-explosion rate, commonly known as the cancer of tempered glass. It cannot be cured, but it can be avoided to the greatest extent. Try to reduce it as much as possible. So under what circumstances will the self-explosion rate of glass be relatively high? First, the larger the area of a single piece of glass, the higher its self-explosion rate. In the south, the self-explosion rate of glass is relatively high in summer, while in the north, the self-explosion rate of glass is relatively high in winter. It can be seen from here that the self-explosion of glass has a great relationship with the temperature difference between indoor and outdoor. The main reason is that impurities such as nickel sulfide will be produced during the tempering process of glass. When the temperature difference is relatively large, these impurities will thermal expansion and contraction occur, leading to self-explosion. What are the common causes of glass self-explosion? First of all, the original glass itself is unqualified. For example, it has stones, sand, bubbles, debris or chips, scratches, burst edges, uneven thickness, etc. These will increase the self-explosion rate of the glass. The above problems with the original glass, but the detection of such problems is relatively easy and can be controlled during production. The second type is self-explosion caused by nickel sulfide impurities in the glass. This type of problem is difficult to detect. It has also become the main factor in the self-explosion of tempered glass. So how do we solve this problem? The solution is to choose extra white glass. The permeability of extra white glass is relatively high. There are relatively few impurities in it, and the self-explosion rate of the glass is low.